Hey everyone, I hope you had a great Easter weekend. Our crew had an amazing Easter weekend and super busy week as well. So it's Tuesday and I need a couple things from the grocery store while two of my kids were working today. So I made a quick haul. And it's not even really a food haul. It's a haul. It's an I needed a lot of stuff haul. So let's start right here. On the Border brand tortilla chips are my favorite. They're not my absolute top #1 favorite, but they're the closest I get to like tasting like, you know, actually from a Mexican restaurant style. I actually have one from another place. I think Food City has one that actually tastes like the ones from Mexican restaurants. But this is close enough, and I thought just for easy also but fun dinner tonight, we're going to do enchiladas. I'm going to throw the chicken on the Ninja Foodie Grill. That recipe video will be linked up here. And then I'm going to make enchiladas from that. So I wanted some tortilla chips to go with it. I honestly don't even really have a meal plan. I'll try to get back into that next week when we get back to a normal week. We don't have normal weeks, that's why I said that. Also, another thing is, because I have no idea if when vacation, because of Matt's work and complications with that right now, I decided to just do some around the stuff house that needed done. It wasn't like anything like super major drastic, but just some little minor things around the house I've been wanting to do, and I'm going to try to space it out for one thing a week. So you're seeing this one today on Tuesday, or I'm filming it on Tuesday. You'll probably see it Wednesday or Thursday. And then when I go to the store again on Friday, I may pick up more stuff to do another space in the house. This is going to be to finish up our bathroom, and I'm pretty sure I'll go ahead and move that video to after this one so that you can see what on earth I'm talking about and see what this is going to be going for. But I bought this to finish up our bathroom, and I needed this specifically for that, and I think I have enough leftover extra as well that once I finish my bathroom, we can do the kids' bathroom. I needed some easy breakfast for Matt for the rest of the week. Monday and Tuesday after Easter, we had leftover hard-boiled eggs, we had leftover ham, things like that. Yeah, I wanted to get him something different, and I don't really want to just keep sending him ham because, you know, also we probably would finish it off by then. So I tried this raspberry lemonade layered Greek yogurt Chobani before. I really liked it and asked Matt if he'd want to try it, and he seemed open to trying it, so I got him one of those. And I know he likes the cookies and cream and the strawberry cheesecake. So those will be for his breakfast for this week, and then for lunches we'll do, I'll show you that in a minute. I've been using the copper ones because they're cheaper. They do wear out fairly quickly with a lot of cast iron use that we do, but I went ahead and picked up another 3-pack of those. I was checking the organics aisle because last year we bought organic Chinese ground ginger from Walmart, and of the spices of all the places I've been, the Walmart organics are actually one of my favorites to purchase from, but they don't have the Chinese ginger anymore, so we just picked up a regular organic ginger instead. 1 chocolate caramel coffee creamer. We also picked up one more bottle of the Game because we had a lot of, you know, I'll go ahead and show you. We had a lot of, like, the Instant Pot got used over the weekend. Baking dishes for the cakes and stuff. You know, just stuff like that needed washed, and we started running out from where we were hand washing everything. So I went ahead and picked up another one so I could do some hand washing. Speaking of hand washing, literally hand washing. 2 of the cocoa butter and shea, 1 of the bamboo and jasmine, and 1 lemon and citrus. 2 for my bathroom, 2 for the kids' bathroom. The Suave is actually cheaper than the soft soap is, and you get more per ounce. Or more ounces per bottle with the Suave than you do the soft soap. Walmart has these spray bottles. They're like $1.08 for these spray bottles, whereas at Dollar Tree they're $1.25 now. I am going to be making up my own peppermint spray. And yes, I know you should technically be using a glass bottle for that, but they're expensive and it's really hard to get in our area. So I'm going with plastic because it's only going to be used for that, and I'm okay with that. Peppermint spray. It wards off ants, it wards off mice, and I live in a rural area. So I wanted to get, like, it's for natural bug repellent. That's why I'm buying it. It's for natural bug repellent. And then I also have a second one of these that I may also use for, like, lemongrass, which is also a really good natural bug repellent. Yes, we already opened this one. It's the French loaf bread. We've been preferring to just get fresh bakery bread from Walmart lately. It's really good. So I went ahead and picked up a French one. We started snacking on it on the way home because it was lunchtime. And then we also have a whole Italian one to do sandwiches with the rest of the meat left over from Easter. And no, this box right here, I did not purchase anything in it. This is our little blessing box. My in-laws every now and then are blessed with abundance of food, and they don't use all of it because it's just the 2 of them. There's 6 of us, so they bless us with it. So we call it our blessing box. And it has, like, Rice Krispie. And the reason I'm showing it this time is not to like show off, woohoo, look at us. It's because sometimes people are like, well, you don't show everything food in your house. So yeah, I'm going to show it. This is what a blessing box looks like for us. It has like a bunch of assorted fruit, vegetables. It has avocados. We'll probably turn into tortilla wraps on Thursday. It has bags of cereal in it. It has bags of nuts. It has some mac and cheese in it, and it's just little things to help us stretch our food budget. So yeah, we don't always show everything because I mean, we didn't pay for this. It was a blessing to us. So that's kind of why we just don't show every single thing food stuff all the time. But starting back next week, we're trying to get back into our usual. The members, anybody with a membership level of 99 cents per month and up, we'll have our full meal plan list with recipe links and recipe. If we don't have a recipe video for it, we'll include the recipe with it for an entire meal plan for a family of 6, breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert for a week. But until then, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.